Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 12th jQuery tutorial. And in this tutorial we are going to add this feature which I was talking in the previous tutorial. We want to add the name of the user before the message with a colon. So and in the previous tutorial we added this feature so that the checkbox is checked every time, and we also fixed this issue which we had when we sent the first message. We had a blank line right here. So in this tutorial, as I said, we are going to add the username, and first let's just set a default username, for instance user or whatever, or player, I don't know. And in this tutorial we will figure out kind of a prompt, kind of a dialogue, and we'll do it in JavaScript real quick so that we can ask what the user's name is. Or we can also just say you, or we can figure out what we actually how we solve this. So now let's just go ahead and make the name appear before the message. And so let's see, the previous state is something which is before, and we have to add the name before the new message, right? Yeah. So we can just go ahead and add a new variable called username. Now I didn't really do a good job right now just typing a variable's name before defining it. So right here we can define a new variable and call it username. And for now let's just set it to you, like this. And now the variable is defined, and now we should have this username you before every message. Let's just try. Hey. Yeah, and it's saying you and hey. But we are not really satisfied with that. So what we want to do, we want the word you to be styled, to have the word you kind of, I don't know, like red or something. So let's just say we create a span, and span is just a basic HTML text element. It doesn't create any line breaks or something, so we can just easily style a piece of text. And we can actually just go ahead and say class. We can define a class of username. By the way, if you have parentheses and you want to have another parenthesis within parentheses, I hope you guys understand what I mean. You can use the other type of parentheses, just this ones. And so let's just create a class of username, right? Yeah, username. And now we have to go to our CSS and kind of style the username. So just create a new CSS selector, and I hope you remember that that the dot stands for the class. So we just type username, and the reason why we use classes for this is, well, we have username, we have this span element every time in every message. So we can't use ID, we can only use classes. And let's just style it. Let's just say font size. No, we don't want to change the font size. We can change the color and set the color to blue. You can just type blue. CSS knows the most common colors. And we can also make it bold, which is font weight, I hope. Yeah, font weight. And just say bold. Yeah. So we can now just go ahead and test it. Test 1. Yeah, now you see it makes the username blue and bold, and the text message, the message is just normal, like normal style. So we can say, hello, is there anybody? And there are no answers. And why there are no answers? Because we don't have any chatbot itself which will talk to us. And in the next tutorials we'll be programming our chatbot algorithm. So I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. And well, now our chatbot looks more like a chat. I mean, our chat room looks like a chat room. It looks pretty real. Well, if we can use the word real for it. Anyway, I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys in the 13th tutorial. So have a nice day.